If you love camping, hiking, or being prepared outdoors, this video will help you choose practical WORKPRO tools that make your trips safer, easier, and more enjoyable. WORKPRO Axe and Fixed Blade Knife. Combo Pack, featuring a camping axe for chopping wood and a fixed blade survival knife, both with protective sheaths for safe carrying and storage. Perfect for camping trips, hiking adventures, bushcraft activities, outdoor survival situations, and anyone needing reliable cutting and chopping tools in wilderness settings. Camping hatchet and machete. Dual tool set, featuring hatchet for wood chopping and machete for brush clearing with ergonomic handles, reducing fatigue during extended outdoor use. Ideal for campers, bushcrafters, outdoor adventurers, survival enthusiasts, and anyone spending time in wilderness requiring reliable cutting and chopping tools for firewood and trail clearing. Multi-tool. Compact folding multi-tool with pliers, knife, and multiple functions in stainless steel construction, ensuring durability in various outdoor conditions. Used by hikers, campers, emergency preparedness enthusiasts, and anyone needing versatile pocket-sized tool for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, or emergency situations requiring multiple tools in compact package. Camping multi-tool. Specialized camping multi-tool with outdoor-focused tool selection including bottle opener, can opener, and fire starter for wilderness convenience. Perfect for backpackers needing lightweight, versatile tools, campers wanting essential functions in one tool, and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize weight savings while maintaining functionality for camping and survival situations. Kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty kitchen shears for food preparation and package opening with comfortable handles featuring finger grips for control and safety during cutting. Essential kitchen tool for various cutting tasks, including poultry, herbs, opening packages, cutting parchment, and general kitchen use, requiring strong, reliable scissors designed specifically for food-safe applications. Folding utility knife. Additional folding knife option with unique features and design, offering durable construction for long-term reliability in demanding cutting applications. Great for having backup knives in different toolkits, equipping multiple work areas, and anyone wanting reliable folding knives in various locations without carrying one knife between different job sites or work areas. I hope this guide helped you understand which WORKPRO outdoor tools fit your needs best. If it did, give the video a like, subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns, and comment below with your favorite tool or what you'd like to see next.